Alright, Taliflava guys, welcome back to another episode of our Samoa Agro Farming Establishment YouTube channel. It's great to have you guys on board again, and thanks for subscribing and liking the videos. It's really helped us out, and yeah, happy to make more content as long as the demand's there. So yeah, we're just on our way to the cattle farm to take some water. So yeah, the road was pretty wet today. It's been raining for about 2 weeks now. I'm here in Samoa, and conditions on the road get slippery during these times, so it's always good to have a four-wheel drive to help you take the water. We do this trip about 2 or 3 times a week, and take about 16 to 20 containers of water. Each container is like 20 liters of water, so it's quite a lot of water, but we've actually minimized it now because it's raining, so we hardly take any water. So we'll probably make 1 or maybe 2 trips during this time because it's the wet season now in Samoa. So this track was the track we built. We created an access road back to the plantation, and it's gone pretty good. Usual drive time takes about 7 to 10 minutes at the slow pace I'm going. As you can see, the road's pretty bad, but you know. So you're just opening up the electric fence we had set up because we brought out our cows over the past few days just to graze on the vegetation so that we can clear it for the next plantation. These both ones on the left and right are about 3 to going on 4 months now. So yeah, they're looking really healthy at the moment. Quite a lot of varieties here. So those are the containers we're bringing to the farm, which has a lot of water in them. Can't see the cows at the moment. So we've stopped using this water trough we made because there's quite a lot of rubbish inside them from the leaves, and cleaning that up later. But we're going back to our fridges we had. It takes about 80 liters these fridges, so that's enough for the cows. So after walking around, we found the cows. They're just not too far from the water trough. It's a normal pattern for them. If they're not grazing, they're usually cuddled up, somewhere under the trees. And this is their usual location anyway. All the cows looking good. Looking healthy too. Got the baby calf there. It's probably 2 months old now. All the cows looking good, strong. In our farm, in our cattle farm, I think we only have 1 bull now, and the rest of them are all female cows, which we're trying to push the breeding of these female cows so that we can have more cows in the future. Saying goodbye to the cows now, and yeah, leaving the plantation now. Just checking on the growing taros. Quite a lot of yellow leaves, probably disease, or we'll probably look into that. And yeah, most of these varieties, I think there's about 8 varieties we're planting in our plantation at the moment of taro. And these varieties are quite common around Samoa. They've shown to have good yields, quite large corm size as well, so it's pretty good. This is another patch we've just finished planting. This one's about 1 month now, and it extends towards where we have the electric fence up and going at the moment. car was looking good. This is quite a steep hill on our way back from the plantation, and it's where most of the times our car gets stuck because of the wet road, but traction is pretty good today. So hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment on our channel.